All right. Trig lecture 3435, the student will review the conversion of decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds, and vice versa. So we're going to go from decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds, and then we'll be given degrees, minutes, and seconds, and we'll change them to decimal degrees. This is stuff we've done in the past, but you need to review it every now and then to keep it fresh. But here we go. Convert to degrees, minutes, and seconds, and I'm given a decimal degree. So I'm going to go like this. 115 degrees, and I'm going to take this 0.8675 and I'm going to multiply it by 60. And this is just like scratch work over here. Let's see what we get. 0.8675 times 60 equals 52.05. 52.05. And that's minutes. But I want degrees, minutes, and seconds. So now I'm going to take this decimal part right here, 0.05, and multiply it by 60. And that will convert these minutes into seconds. So now I've got 115 degrees, 52 minutes, and 0.05 times 60. 3 seconds. And this is the symbol for minutes, that's the symbol for seconds. 115 degrees, 52 minutes, 3 seconds is 115.8675 degrees. Okay? Converting from decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds. And hopefully that's right. Let me see if I messed it up. Got an answer key around here somewhere. There it is. 115 degrees, 52 minutes, 3 seconds. Yay! Okay, what we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to have 31 degrees. I'll take 0.3375 and multiply that by 60. 0.3375 times 60 equals, this will give me 20.25 minutes. Now I'm going to take this decimal part and multiply it by 60. So I have 0.25 times 60, and this will give me 31 degrees, 20 minutes, and this is the number of seconds I'll have now. So 0.25 times 60 should be 15. 15, yay! That's 15 seconds. So 3.3375 degrees, we multiply this part by 60, and then we multiply this decimal part by 60 again. So this little bit here, the little bit I've got underlined in blue, these have been multiplied by 60 twice. So they've been multiplied by 60 times 60, which is 3,600. This little bit and this little bit. Okay. And there's our conversion. And hopefully I haven't messed that up. Let's see. 31 degrees, 20 minutes, 15 seconds. Yay! All right. Let's see what we got here. Convert to decimal degrees. All righty. Well, to convert to decimal degrees, we're given 108 degrees, 7 minutes, and 39 seconds. Remember, we multiplied this by 60. And then we multiplied the remaining decimal by 60. That's 60 times 60. So we multiplied this bit by 3,600, 60 times 60. So we multiplied by 60 and then 3,600. Here we're going to do just pretty much the opposite of it, so to speak. We're going to go like this with our calculator, 108 plus, we're going to divide the minutes by 60, plus we're going to divide the seconds by 3,600, and hit equals, and that'll convert our degrees, minutes, and seconds into a decimal. So let's see what we get. 108 plus 7 divided by 60 plus 39 divided by 3600 equals 108.1275. 108.1275 degrees. So, if I haven't made a mistake, 108 degrees, 7 minutes, 39 seconds is 108.1275 degrees. Let's see if I got it right. Yay! That's how we do it. We got one more here. It's the same thing. I mean, different problem, but the same technique. I'm going to say 325 plus this divided by 60 plus this divided by 3600. So I'll have 325 plus 40 divided by 60 plus 30 divided by 3600, and I'll hit equals. And that will convert degrees, minutes, and seconds into a decimal. So it's 325 plus 40 divided by 60 plus 30 divided by 3600 equals 325.675 if I haven't made a mistake. Now I hope I haven't. It's always so embarrassing when I make mistakes. But it happens. If you make a mistake, that's just part of math. Even the guys with the PhDs who are working on these long-haired problems, they make mistakes. I make mistakes. You make mistakes. So don't get too bummed if you make a mistake. It's going to happen. Let's see if I did. 325.675. Yay! So there we go. Our objective was to review the conversion of decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds, and vice versa. So decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds. We multiplied by 60 and then multiplied the remaining decimal by 60, decimal part by 60, and then the remaining decimal part by 60. Same thing here and here. And then to go from from degrees, minutes, and seconds, we divide the first one, the minutes, by 60, and the seconds by 3600, and add it all together. So, okay. You can do this.